Okay, let's do a quick video. So we should add our air.toml because I like that, and we'll write some base endpoints. Um, you know. So this should be called ranked. Uh, ranked. I need a make file for sure. I have this here. Let's do a make file. Put this here. Bin. We'll do I upload. Beautiful. And then main.go. I'm actually going to make another file routes and have that pattern, because I want to, like, this project is the reason why I'm doing this is because this is a little bit a smaller project. It would be nice to practice good, like, Go, like, architecture, or not architecture, more like Go, clean code for Go. And I think wrapping in our stuff here would be really nice. So we can do obviously package main here and func. What was the pattern actually? Let me see. Like, let me see. Let me see. Let me see. What was it called? Gopher. Let me see how he did it real quick. So he has the DM there, and then he has routes, right? Oh, he doesn't have routes. Oh, is it in the main logo? Oh, it's in the API. Okay. Routes. Oh, I see. And he returns the HTTP handler, right? Okay. He does it all in the API. Okay. Sure. We'll do that. I guess we'll have like a func application. We'll do mount. Of course, it'll return an HTTP dot handler. HTTP handler. And yeah, and obviously router she dot what was it again? API.go. She dot new router. New router. Wait, hold on. I think she dot new router. What? Wait, what? Ah, I got the wrong one. Dot new router. Yeah, do I like the old version? Go mod. Go mod tidy. Yeah, there you go. So now we'll do route, or we'll do route here. Route chi dot new router. Return route r, and then we'll register a route here. But in our main.go, basically we just kind of create an app, I guess, of application type. And obviously, okay, hold on, API.go. Okay, there's a lot of errors. Cache that store. I don't need a cache actually. Authenticator, a storage, and then Redis. Wait, storage? Oh wait, I did need that actually. We'll call. Oh yeah, yeah, cache storage. It's not really caching though. I guess. Yeah, I'll name it something else. But so let me see something. No, here though he has okay, so he has the CMD migrate. No, the internal or DB. Okay, so he has the DB storage, cache, redis.go. Okay, mocks, storage.go. Okay, so he actually groups them all together. I want to separate those two. I don't really like them in the same. So for me though, mine's gonna come from internal redis.go. Yeah, we'll do that Redis main.go. We'll do this. Here we'll do, instead of we'll do, mine's is storage.go. We'll do Redis. I have no idea what that will be. Redis dot. Redis sorted sets. Okay. I think main.go. No, I have this wrong. I should probably have. Yeah, it's called rank and ranking.go. I'm actually gonna call this leaderboard instead. Leaderboard. And then call this leaderboard.go, which is our service later. And then Redis will have that. I think I can just copy this right here. Copy this here. And then just go mod tidy. Or let me see actually. Let me look at the, let me see this. Let me see what the latest one is. Oh god, what is this? We'll get to the details later, but this is a right. Yes. We will need to do this, right? And then, oh well, I'm not calling this cache. I'm calling this Redis. And then in our API.go, we'll do Redis dot. I'll just call this Redis storage, yeah. Or rank or Redis dot Redis. I don't even know what to call this, to be honest. And in our storage.go, I just need to have something like this. Storage.go will have something like this. Package, storage. Of course, none of these will have any of these. Oh god. Okay, I don't know why that was there. Yeah, we're still gonna use the standard SQL stuff, so import squeal, or I forgot that it was probably all of this here. Put all this here, and then go tidy this. Okay, we're good. For storage, all I need is really just a user table, right? Interface, and we just need a few methods that go along with it. We'll probably need a token or like a valid sessions. That should be good enough, I guess, for now. And then interface. Okay, let's copy what they have here. Users. You have a user struct. Let's see what their user struct is actually. Oh. I like all of this actually. Let's actually have that here. Tidy. The only thing I don't need is a role or row. Don't even it is active either. Also, I probably would want the errors here. So some nice errors to have. Okay, so now users.go. We have our password stuff, you know, all the important things here. Okay, well, obviously, all of these stuff. Okay, roll. Okay, don't need that. Don't need that. Roll. Let's just get rid of those. Get rid of those. Don't need that. Don't need that. Create user invitation. Update. Don't need that. Delete user invitations. Delete. What is with TX? This is kind of interesting. What is with TX? Interesting. This is a very interesting thing. I've never seen this before. So he does like some costly operation and have like some user TX. Okay. That's cool. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Maybe I'll have that. I'll try to be clean here. This is an interesting thing to have. I'll have that in my storage here. And I'll begin to tinker with it in my users. But that'll be for next time. Oh, is active. I don't need that either. Is active. Don't need this either. I don't really need this either, to be honest. I don't know what this activate is. Get user for invitation. Probably don't need that. Create user invitation. Update. No. Delete user invitation. Don't need that either. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Alright, tomorrow we'll continue setting up our DB stuff, and then I'll also start on my post. Maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure if I have time, but I'll maybe do some Docker stuff as well. But anyway, see you guys tomorrow.